How to mute video on CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To mute video on CapCut, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your CapCut app. Now create a project with video that you want to mute. So to create a project, tap on this new project icon located on top of your screen. And then select the video that you want to mute. Here, let me select this one. If you have already created a project, then simply open it. Now after selecting the video, on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this option, Add. So tap on it. And you will successfully create a project on CapCut. So to mute the video on CapCut, here in middle of your screen, you will find the video timeline. And somewhere on left hand side of the timeline, you will find this option, Mute Clips. So tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, the video will be successfully muted. So again, if you want to unmute them, simply tap on it again. So this is all you need to do to mute video from CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.